Weathering and erosion. The earth is always changing. Mountains grow tall, then they wear down. A plain starts out flat, it then becomes a canyon. All this happens from weathering and erosion. Weathering is when rocks or soil are broken down. Strong winds blow across a rock. The wind breaks off tiny pieces. Then a rainstorm comes along. Rainwater breaks off even more of the rock. This rock has been weathered by wind and water. Where do the pieces of rock go after weathering? Wind and water carry them away. This is called erosion. Wind may blow the bits of rock away. Rain may wash them into a stream. Now the rock is smaller. All the bits and pieces are gone. Weathering and erosion has changed the rock. These are hoodoos in Utah, which are similar to what we have here in New Mexico, and they are caused by weathering and erosion. You also have this example here, and this is in Spain on the beach where the water crashed into the rock and eroded that big old hole. And this is the Grand Canyon, where the Colorado River has eroded away. Many landforms are made by weathering and erosion, but weathering and erosion can also cause problems. During a storm, a lot of rain falls on the ground. It comes together into streams. These streams can occur on farmland. If this happens, part of the farm will erode. It will wash away with the rainwater. The good farm soil is eroded into the stream. Wind can also be a problem on farms. The 1920s to 1940s were called the Dust Bowl in parts of the United States. The wind blew hard for many days. It made big dust storms. It blew all the good soil off of farms. Many farmers had to move away. Their land could no longer grow food. Farmers worked to stop erosion. They found better ways to plant crops. They are careful with the water they use. They make sure extra water goes into a ditch. This keeps water erosion from happening on their farms. Farmers have learned how to stop the wind erosion. They plant tall trees near their crops. Trees keep the wind from blowing the soil away. They protect the soil. The wind goes over the trees and does not erode the soil. Now you have a fill in the blank to do with what you just learned.